Hello everyone, how you all been? I know this is a pretty messy year, so I'll stay home and stay safe. So let's move on with the unboxing. I'm going to unbox the Apple Magic Mouse 2. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification. It looks same like the previous one, Magic Mouse 1, but let's see the differences that come. Since it's Apple, it's very well packed. It's priced at 349 dirhams on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description. The first thing you all notice is there is no battery compartment. No more AA batteries. It has an inbuilt lithium-ion battery, which is great, and it's rechargeable. You can see the lightning port connection here. It's durable and handy, but maybe not much handy for all the people. Then you have the warranty information, user manual, and all those things that you don't read. So let's keep them aside. And finally we have the lightning charging cable. That's pretty good to charge the mouse with these. As I mentioned, the dimensions are the same as the previous generation. The only main difference is the battery compartment. We have the lightning port location below, so you cannot use the mouse while charging. So I don't think it's an ideal position for a charging port. It has a multi-touch feature, so let us see the various gestures that we can do. We can do the scrolling, swipe for back and forward, swipe with 2 for app switching, and double tap for app drawer. Talking about the external design, it's top class. As you can see, it's Apple. They won't compromise in terms of design. The battery life is really great. With full charge, it can last up to 1 month. Now, the multi-touch feature is really great. It's easy to pair with Mac. It's compatible for both right and left hand use. Talking about the bad side, it's not very friendly with the Windows. It's not very reliable for gaming. So gamers, you have many other options out there. Overall, it's a great buy. If you have Magic Mouse 1 and should you upgrade? Well, only if you're tired with replacing the AA batteries again and again. Otherwise, nah, it's pretty much the same because that's the only upgrade. So that's it, guys. If you want to know anything, just mention them in the comments. See you all in the next one. Thank you and stay safe.